Hi, today's Gimp topic is creating a galaxy logo from a picture. In this example, a cat picture. I'll simply quickly open both the galaxy background and the cat image and put them all in one project. Just follow the steps. Once you have both images in one project, close individual images. Now I'll crop cat's layer to be the same size as the image. I'll also rename the layers, create a black background and put it below the cat layer. Use the fuzzy select tool with anti-aliasing and feathering enabled. Then use Shift plus click to select other areas and increase the threshold by moving the mouse cursor downwards. To remove a part from selection, select the lasso tool and press Ctrl, then click and close the path, then press Enter. We can now create the layer mask from the selection, then invert the colors of the layer mask so that the cat is shown. Show the layer mask and touch it with the paintbrush. Fuzzy select additional parts while the main layer is selected, and then select the layer mask and paint over the wanted selection with the black color to hide those parts. I'll desaturate the image now and choose the threshold so that there's only black and white colors in the image. Adjust the threshold properly since the black parts of the image will be displayed later. Duplicate the layer just in case and hide it. Apply the layer mask and add a new transparent layer below the current one. This is because we need to merge the current layer with the lower transparent one due to the threshold effect interfering with the Select by Color tool. Select the white color and delete it. Also hide the black background. Choose Alpha to selection on that layer and hide it, then go to the Galaxy layer and add a layer mask from that selection. You can position the mask to your liking. From here, you can adjust the hue to your liking, then increase chroma and reduce lightness. Now, remove unwanted parts from the layer mask. We can now apply the layer mask, crop the layer to content, and align it to the center of the image. Next, I'll move the background layer to the bottom, toggle its visibility on, and use the Radial gradient to make a nice white to black background. I'll do some final touch-ups with the eraser. Finally, you can increase the brightness and contrast of the image. use the color curves to increase the green color, and then use the color curves to make dark colors darker and white color lighter.